The FBI is investigating these mysterious drone sightings in Morris County. Residents say they've been appearing more frequently in recent weeks, and tonight many people want to know exactly where they're coming from.
All right, everyone, welcome back. December 4th, 2024, we have to discuss what's going on in the skies of New Jersey. This insane UFO/drone phenomena taking place is absolutely incredible, and you are not going to believe what I found going on with the military at the exact same time going into New Jersey. I will break this all down for you because it is insane. Alright, and to be clear, we've been having sightings all over the world over the last couple weeks. Multiple sightings over major airports. This one here in Manchester. This orb made it into the news very quickly when it was hovering over an airport. Many thought it was a drone. It has not been disproven yet, but a very weird video nonetheless. We also had this very strange video of what looks like 6, maybe 7 orbs all grouped together with a smaller orb up above them, almost like it's controlling it. We couldn't verify exactly what this was, but we could see airplanes crossing the threshold of this video. You'll see one very soon coming in from the left, and it's right about now. I want to say there it is. You can see it on the bottom left. There is an airplane coming into the airport while we're seeing these orbs in the sky above it. Very, very strange. All right, and now I want to talk about this video that came out in New Jersey 2 nights ago, and what I believe is happening here is a little bit of confusion. People are going nuts with their phones pointed to the sky because of this phenomena taking place, and a lot of people, I believe, are confusing UFOs with planes. This looks like a clear-cut airplane to me, but it seems to have made it onto all different media stations. But what's interesting is the second part of this video. They show these girls talking about this airplane right here, calling it a drone or some sort of UFO, which it's clearly not. But this part of the video is more interesting, and then I'm going to get into the military part of what I discovered here. Now, in this part of the video, you can see she's counting out the different drones in the sky. They're here, back in this area. She counts about 7 of these, I want to say. So this is much different than the airplane video she was showing us. This is what people are looking for. Now, with that said, you are not going to believe this. At the same exact time as these sightings last night, a massive escort military operation took place. 3 major military aircraft went out from New Jersey into the Atlantic Ocean. 45 minutes later, they return with a private jet that then peels off right after they get out of international waters and into New Jersey. This private jet peels off and goes right to Washington, D.C. Clearly, this jet was coming from another country across the Atlantic Ocean, and the military went out to pick it up. Now, because these craft came out of New Jersey to meet this private jet, whoever this was clearly a very important person or a very important craft. So my friends, as you can see, these airplanes, once this private jet peels off, this Boeing Globemaster and other military craft continue to circle a large portion of New Jersey for a few hours. Most of the videos you see from last night are within this time period. So what is going on out there? I personally do not believe these are aliens coming from outer space. I think that we have this technology right here on Earth, and it's just hidden from us. These may be some secret military ops going on. They could be surveilling parts of New Jersey for some reason. That we do not know yet, but something very strange is going on here, and it's involving the military 100%. Otherwise, this escorting operation would not have been taking place while there's massive amounts of drones and quote-unquote UFO sightings in the same exact areas of New Jersey. Now, the more interesting and fun theory is that the fact that maybe the military is going out to escort this important person because there's all these drones and weird things going on in Jersey. Maybe it's possible that this is out of the military's hands and they are trying to protect important assets as they enter the now busy skies of New Jersey. All right, now finally, before we go check out this actual airplane they were escorting, don't forget we had a major sighting in New York City as well with this orb that shot across the Hudson River and was captured on news media camera during a weather forecast. This is also yet to be debunked. It is certainly not a drone. This thing covered way too much ground to be a drone. So it's not just New Jersey, it's a lot of the Northeast as a whole. Now check this out. All right, so here are the 4 planes coming in after the 3 had already left to go pick up this private jet right here. Now, it does not have a call sign, but we do have an image, and you can see right here its registration was 06-0500 United States Military. It's a Gulfstream 5, a very common and expensive private jet, and this is what they came and picked up. Now you can see here this is a Globemaster, a Boeing C-17, and then we also have a Boeing 767 US military, as well as a second Boeing 767 US military. And as they approach the coast of the United States, you can see the plane finally peels off just after it crosses the international waters. And at this moment, things got weird. These are now showing up as drones, including over New Jersey right now. So these were switching back and forth from a drone signature with no call sign airlines to then being registered once you click on it, back to the Boeing, and then back to the Globemaster, as you can see here, already with the Gulfstream having peeled off, heading all the way to Washington, D.C., which right there should tell you that this was a very important piece of cargo or something on the plane, a person on this plane, whatever it was. They were escorted by the U.S. military while the entire state of New Jersey is freaking out over drones, UFOs, and things that look like airplanes. All right, my friends, I know that was a long one, but a super important video. I hope you all share, and please comment below. Tell me what you think is going on here. Some of you that are more familiar with the military aspect of the flight radar stuff, maybe you can give me an idea of what I'm looking at here, because this is a super strange situation to be taking place with all this crazy stuff happening in the skies. All right, my friends, I appreciate you all. Until the next one, I'll talk to you all very soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Stop right there, my friends. If you have not already, click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Click all and you will get all notifications from this channel. And trust me, you won't be disappointed.